Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to make Snap profile private. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, tap on the Bitmoji top right. Then tap on Settings. After that, scroll down till you get to Privacy Control. So tap on Contact Me. As you see here, everyone can contact me with snaps, calls, chats, and so on and so forth. Now choose friends to allow friends only to contact you, so you can't receive messages from anyone. Now when you go back, the changes will save it automatically. Some of you always wonder how to close messages, so no one can send you messages. Well, unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't allow this feature yet, and you can only hide them from non-friends. And this is it. This is how to make Snapchat profile private. Thanks for watching. See ya!